In this video, we'll be going over result preview, margin line creation, and smart data cleaning and tools. Let's start with result preview. The result preview feature displays the preview of a selected area. Select the area and click the Confirm button. This feature will show the outcome of the processed data, and it'll be the same image in File Viewer. It'll save you some time when you want to see a specific area rather than waiting for the whole scan data to be processed. You can also check the quality of the scan before letting the patient out of the chair. The next feature is margin line creation. Margin line creation provides the auto and manual creation and edit functions. Choose the correct tooth number at the bottom. Draw lines for the tooth area and click the Confirm button. The margin line can be made automatically or manually. The auto creation process is as follows. You can add 1 point on the margin by clicking the left mouse button. Then the system automatically creates the margin line based on the point. For manual creation, you can manually place control points by clicking the left mouse button and connecting with each other. Once you press Confirm, you'll see the margin line applied to the restoration site, and it'll be saved on the case detail page as a separate file. You can send it to your lab for restoration, and the lab will be able to bring the file into ExoCAD. With this feature, you can ensure the better fit and accuracy of the prosthesis. The last feature is smart data cleaning. The smart data cleaning feature removes unreliable data based on the reliability map. The unreliable data is shown in mint color and will be deleted. Adjust the strength slider bar to select the amount of unreliable data. If you move the bar to the right side, it increases the strength and expands selected areas. Click the Delete button to proceed. When you take too much unnecessary data, you can use this feature to erase them. To prevent the teeth area from removal, you can enable Make Area Edit Proof.